In this video, we will show the process of getting connected to a Do-more CPU through the StrideLinx VPN router. If you've not already set up your router, please see the videos for the initial setup from the links in the description below. Then once you've set up your router, continue on to this video. First, we must discuss the Do-more CPU's IP address. This is the IP address of the VPN router on the control side. Now, to remotely program your Do-more CPU, it must be on the same subnet as the VPN router and have the IP address of the router as its default gateway. This way, the Do-more CPU will be communicating through the router. Now, it's very important that everything is a static IP address, as one limitation of VPN networks is that broadcast comms will not work, and broadcast comms is what's used to auto-discover these type of devices. So now, let's set up the Do-more CPU's IP address for the first time locally. From the application launchpad, select NetEdit 3. Now select Network and then Adapter, and verify that you're using the correct network adapter. Now click on Scan Network and you should see your Do-more CPU. Double-click on the CPU and enter the information as we discussed before. This will change the IP address of your CPU. Now that the PLC has been set up and shipped to the remote site, let's make our first connection to the StrideLinx. Select your device and then select Connect. Once the IX client is connected, open up the Do-more software and then we'll need to make a new link. So in the link section here, select New Link. Select Ethernet and then UDP IP and then select Next. Now from the adapter section here, make sure to select the Windows tab adapter. Now select the link editor. Select your Do-more CPU type and then select the port tab. In the IP address portion here, place the IP address of your CPU. And then select the Advanced Setting tab. Here you'll probably need to increase your timeout time. This is the time that the link will use to gauge if it has lost communication to the CPU. Increasing this time will overcome long communication time or spotty networks. I typically place this at 15 seconds and then increase if I'm having issues connecting. Select OK. Now I'll give the link a name and then select Accept. And now I'll read in the project from my remote Do-more CPU. Now you'll be able to program and control your PLC from around the world. A little safety disclaimer here though. Before you make any changes to your PLC remotely, take into account what you're activating or deactivating, as it may cause unsafe conditions. It is always best to have local eyes on the equipment while making these changes. This is where the digital input on the VPN router can be useful. It will allow you to lock out remote changes until someone is there to monitor for safety purposes. If you have any questions about the Stride VPN router, please contact Automation Direct support team during regular business hours. They'll be glad to help. Click on this video to learn more about Automation Direct's many support options. Click here to learn more or see more videos on our many products. And be sure to click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel for upcoming videos.